Listen, hear me out. For the next 90 days, try something different from the last 90 days. Whether it's picking up new books, exploring health disciplines, improving your relationships with family, or any other small change, it's important to do something different. We may not be able to change our circumstances. We can change ourselves and our actions. One crucial secret to success is understanding that what you have at the moment has been attracted by the person you've become. This principle can explain a lot once you grasp it. It may be tough to accept that you are responsible for your current situation instead of blaming external factors. However, this transition is essential. You may have little in your pocket, nothing in the bank, and creditors calling because of the person you've been up until now. But how can you change this? It's simple. If you change, everything will change for you. You don't need to change what's outside. You need to change what's inside. To have more, you must become more. Listen, pay attention. Don't wish it were easier. Wish you were better. Don't wish for fewer problems. Wish for more skills. Start working on yourself, making personal changes, and everything else will change for you. Learn to work harder on yourself than you do on your job. If you work hard on your job, you'll make a living. If you work hard on yourself, you can make a fortune. At age 25, I was a hard worker, but I was working hard on my job, not on myself. That's why I had little to show for my efforts. If you learn this principle and start working on yourself, you can transform your life, develop your skills, work on your attitude, personality, communication, and other abilities. As you make these personal changes, your life will change dramatically. Listen, put this into your mind. Success is something you attract by becoming a better person. It's not something you chase after. It's something you develop within yourself. By focusing on your personal growth, you will naturally attract success. What you become is much more valuable than what you get. The key question to ask in any job is not, what am I getting here? But what am I becoming here? With your mind, you'll find answers. Use both your eyes and your mind to work, and remember, the best advice for developing sight and insight is to pay attention. Don't miss anything. If your mind wanders, you'll end up average. You need to focus and concentrate. Listen, this is what should you do. For personal development, start by finding out how things work. Go to work. You must take action on what you've learned. In business, we call it creating a game plan. Whether you're in sales, managing a team, or even organizing your personal life, you need a game plan. Don't just keep your plans in your head. Put them on paper. When I ask someone about their plans for the next 6 months, I don't want them to tell me. I want them to show me their game plan. Are you still there? Now do this. Take action based on what you've discovered. The best word to pair with action is massive. Massive action changes everything. If you're making calls, make thousands. If you're knocking on doors, knock on thousands. This approach will transform everything. The language of the unsuccessful is, I'll try a time or two and see what happens. You need a better game plan. Starting tomorrow, review your game plan. If it isn't filled with massive action, change it. Pay attention. Here's the formula for success. Pick up a good idea and take heavy action. Don't wait until you've learned everything. You could end up smart but broke. It's okay to be dumb and broke, but being smart and broke is pitiful. Don't let your learning lead to knowledge alone. Let it lead to action so you can become successful. If you found this message inspiring, make sure to subscribe and like our content for more motivational insights. Stay strong and keep striving for greatness.